In this video, I'll show you how to wear your Beats Flex. Many people are wearing them like this, with this hanging in front of them, and this is not the right way of doing it for many reasons. So let me show you what you need to do. So first of all, you need to find which one is the right side and which one is the left side. The one with the Beats logo is the left side, and the one without anything and just the power button is the right side. So first of all, take them, stretch them, and put this cord, this cable, on the back of your neck, like this. So you have these two earbuds on each side. You just have to insert them in your ear the same way you're doing for regular earbuds. Put them, then press with your finger. Same thing on the other side. The cable should come forward and then go in the back of your neck. And this way you have access to these two casings where you have the buttons for the volumes, to skip tracks, to take a call. I'll show you in just a few seconds how to use these buttons to control your music and your phone calls. But for now, this is how they're supposed to be wear. So to control your music, first of all, we need to find this casing where it says Beats. This is where all the basic functions are located, not on the other one over here. This is only with the power button. So once they're turned on, you have this long button over here. Actually, it's two buttons. You have volume down, which is this side right above the Beats logo. To lower the volume, you just have to press on it. You can also keep it pressed. And if it's not loud enough for you, press the volume up the same way. Now on this casing, there's also another button right on the other side. You see this one over here, it's very small. So to play and pause, you just have to tap it once. Obviously on your smartphone or computer, you need to already have a video or a music player opened. So press once to play, press once to pause. If you want to skip to the next track, you need to double press this one. So double click. Like this. If you want to go backwards to the previous song, you need to tap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And everything needs to be done quickly, not like 1, 2, 3. This is way too slow. You need to press it 3 times fast. 1, 2, 3. If you want to scan through the track forward, so let's say there's a good part of that song that is at 3 minutes, but the song just started and you want to skip the first 2 minutes of the song, what you need to do is to press twice this button and then hold. And this will skip forward in the song. If you want to go backward in the song, you're going to press 3 times and then the 4th time you keep it pressed, and this will bring you at an earlier moment in the song, or if you're watching a video, is the same thing. If at any moment when you're wearing them you want to pause, let's say you saw somebody you know, so you just want to pause these, you can simply clip them together with the magnet and it will pause whatever it was playing. So you don't need to touch these buttons if you simply want to pause them and put them aside. Now let me show you how to answer calls. It's very easy. So once somebody is calling you, you're gonna hear it, and then you just have to press this same small button once, and this will answer the call. If during that call somebody else is calling you and you want to answer that second call, do the same thing. Press it once. To switch between these two calls, you again simply need to press 1 and you'll switch to call number 1, press again, switch to call number 2. If somebody is calling you and you don't want to speak with that person, you want to reject that incoming call, all you have to do is press and hold this button during a second. Do not simply give it a tap. You absolutely need to keep it pressed during a second, and then you're gonna hear in these earbuds that the call got rejected. So this is it. This is how you actually use these Beats Flex to control your music and your phone calls. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like. Check the affiliate Amazon links in the description down below if you want to support my channel. Comment, and I'll see you in the next video.